Please, you know this stuff? Yes, yeah. You say it's a book? This is one of my bags. Everything. I'm not too sure. I'm they all complex. Yeah, they all fit. Everything. I got complex for this one. Yeah. Yeah, it's so popular. Yeah, so they have double buttons. They put the French tops. Okay, Lisa. Who came out shy? No, I'm about to open my text. It's not a picture, Mom. It's not a picture. Can't be raised. Don't worry. Close it, then it's fine. Alright, they're on camera. Lunch today. No, I want to eat time. I've been eating all day.
Come to the pretty
I don't know what you're talking about. Many more. I don't know.
A few more times.
I am short. I'm my mother's child. Anyways, I'm my mother's child. I am short. He was sleeping just now. I will wake him up. But it's a ring. It's a ring. Yeah, it's like it's a ring. You run no battery a lot?
Yeah, especially with the light.
Okay.
I just use the power plug.
Yeah. They can right there.
It's not good to be ready.
That's just ways of God. You know, it's not God. It's actually sometimes at store.
Okay, Victor.
Excuse me, Ron. You can walk in and out the door.
Hello. Come here because you're so grand, you make your grand appearance.
Watch out. Me tell me I'll put on my left foot and my right hand.
Okay. Bye, Marie. I'm slow. When who?
You know that camera work, right? You know say can zoom, right? Yeah.
All them do is laugh. That's it. Oh no, we're all here and everybody's stuffing their face. I know. Well, I know your thoughts are yours. She told me. Good enough. Good, my love. Come be better. See? Yes. No, I'm not cross with that before. I'm coming to you. Oh God, I can't wait. Yeah, not worried about that.
Lisa, let's go.
Definite and shy.
Hey, we know it's
Press on with the ear nut.
Take away what?
Press on with the ear.
Yeah, man.
They go up. It doesn't matter. That's it.
Yeah. It's flash. The flash never go off.
Thank you, love. Say hi to me. Yeah, man. Yes. Okay, Andrew. Bye-bye. Mom. Andrea. Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay, let's go.
Juliet.
Okay.
All right then. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, for a while. The camera is in.
Maya. Broke camera. Just look at it.
Maya, look at the camera. No. Okay. Okay, let's go now.
Alright, we'll start off now. Roxanne.
Hey, me out of the rollins, eh?
Yeah.
Don't worry. Okay, I feel long but not fair. Okay, start fast.
I'd like to thank everybody for coming. And we all know why we're here to wish Lisa all the best on her newborn baby that's fast approaching. And I open the floor to anyone who would like to wish Lisa well or anything that you have to say to Lisa. Thanks for coming.
Lisa, I wish you a safe delivery and all the best. What talk it has to tell?
Lisa.
You let nice next.
Nikki, you're masking me.
Lisa, Nikki, who next she want to talk? Come on, she talking.
Okay.
Darling, that day is just nice. No, sit down, mom. Remember that those words must come out. But anyway, I wish you all the best. I wish you a safe delivery and a beautiful baby girl.
Thank you.
Look at the little boy, cousin. Hi.
Nikki's next.
I didn't have a tea.
Lisa.
That's what you and I mean.
That was very last year. Anyways, folks, it will be lovely. You'll enjoy every single moment and every single minute of this baby. Okay, so just sit and relax because you're gonna need all the rest. All the rest in the world. Congrats, baby.
Thanks, Mommy. Anybody else?
Okay, what was that with? Okay, talk, sweetie, talk.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to refute your good wishes for a beautiful baby girl. 'Cause she's having a very handsome baby boy.
Well, it is only coming. And able to see. But we could bet you now. And the person is going to start our come for the baby.
Need some more soldier on the camp.
Okay, Roy.
With my daughter, I'd like to wish you, Lisa, many, many happy years. Happy years.
Thanks, Karen.
Thanks, Chelsea. Okay, Roy, my time. Anyway, Lisa, I wish you all the best, health, happiness, and enjoy. Okay, hon? Enjoy. All right.
Thanks.
And then I guess next year, Fox and time.
This one is a baby, right?
Good thinking.
Yeah, I like to say, I agree with that young lady over there. We need some more soldier at the camp. Bring on over. It's too much. We love the woman, but you don't know. Proud I am, Mr. Son.
Here is scored.
Atia, where are you like mouse? Jackie. Cousin Jackie. Atia. Wait here.
I'd personally like to wish you a very safe journey. I think it's the beginning of many wonderful years, and congratulations and all the best. Enjoy those mega years, because I'm sure you'll remember times when your mom said certain things to you that you might end up saying to your own, and you know exactly where she's coming from. So good luck and all the best.
Thanks, Dulcina.
And the kiss and the kiss back.
Oh, wait here. You know,
Well, I'm Lisa's cousin, and I wish you all the best. I have to, and I experience what it's all about, and I wish you all the best.
thanks, Jackie.
So what do you want? Tell us the next boy.
A girl.
Outnumbered.
Michelle,
Han.
soldier.
All the best, Lisa, and enjoy.
Short and sweet. Excuse me. Miss Green.
Not Indian.
The Indian for 5 minutes.
Just speak and I don't know. I repeat.
Okay, Lisa, all the best. Congratulations. And Ingrid needs a granddaughter. I think just a girl.
Nicholas, what you saying? Nicholas.
There.
This is from Leon. So I guess I'm supposed to say it now. Or collect.
Yeah,
okay. Starting from this end.
Come on. Christmas.
See the first,
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, man.
Anybody else?
To the tech, man. Enough more if you didn't forget. But we don't know some boy, you know, so. Man, this.
A shower gift for your baby, and this is from Jeannie. And Jeannie didn't get to make it, but thanks, Jean.
Okay. My bougie.
Oh, Jean!
Yeah, Jean. Yeah.
Cry, don't see that. Cry. You know, it's these things are sealed so tight.
That means something, isn't it?
Not yet.
Help her rip off.
So Lisa, tear paper.
Okay, same card. A shower gift for your baby, and I got from Clem.
Oh, from
Which is from Falcona, Montreal. Thanks, Fale.
Hold on, this sound of money there should be going in the piggy bank.
For really?
Right now.
This is from Donna, who had to leave early, and it's a gift certificate from Eaton's for $100.
That's
Wow.
Oh, these are all together. This is from Roxy Foxhead.
Hey, Roxanne.
Hey, Foxy.
So anything symbolic about the blue here?
No, it's just a paper.
There's yellow too. There's yellow.
There's pink too. There's white. Am I right?
It's a 4-in-1 comforter.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, Mommy. And this is Gary's knapsack. What else? Oh, goodies. Well, there's a whole bunch of goodies in here. There's a
Baby
products. Yeah.
Baby stuff.
Jackie, look like you should have done some magazine cover.
I'm not telling you. Where Jackie?
This is from Nikki. Hey, Nikki Poo.
Chelsea, come over here and sit beside me.
And this is a tale of baby's days. So I get to try everything. Thank you, Mommy. The tale of Peter Rabbit.
Chelsea, come here. Sit beside me here. You want to see? Okay, sit with me and we see everything.
And this is from Letna and Yannick.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
We have the daddy bear and the baby bear.
Smile for it.
Oh, that's a nice bear. Wow. That's nice, eh? One munchkin.
This is a card from Jackie Rayan and Chantel. Thank you, Jackie Rayan and Chantel. Welcome to Lullaby Land. Love to you and your family. Thanks, guys. More money to go into piggy bank for Blitz. More money to go into piggy.
Yeah, man.
Thank you very much. This is from a baby shower gift for you from the Stout and the Carr family.
That's Anna Stout and Howard Carr from Montreal.
Stretch.
Stretch lemons.
Anna was here earlier today, but she had to go home, so she came on behalf of everybody, but she had to go. Oh look, I got a nursery gift set.
We all produce.
You're gonna need that.
Yes. And another one.
That's what we saw called.
Rhea, look.
Well, we got a whole bunch of goodies. Baby's bath towel. And we got a blanket. And we got a receiving blanket. Thanks, everybody. What's next?
Thanks, right over
Diaper pail. We're gonna need that. Hey, Jimmy, you don't want your house smelling like poo-poo. For your baby shower from Judith and Audrey. Thanks, guys.
Definitely need that.
See, a diaper pail to put all the smelly diapers.
I'm gonna use your temperature diapers.
Pampers, girl. She's a washing diapers.
You know?
You saw these already?
No.
Those 3 bags.
Okay.
A gift for your baby shower from Michelle, Rohan, and Tyrell. Thank you, guys. Let's see what it is, Chelsea.
Chelsea's the helper. She's busy.
Chelsea. We have Michelle. I guess Michelle thinks it's a boy. Hey, Michelle. Thank you. It's cute. And I'm gonna need lots of this.
Yep. Tons.
I see more blue here than I see pink.
You're predicting, eh?
Oh, these are the kind of side.
Oh my God, that's so cute.
And I saved my bags. I'm not gonna throw no worry about it.
Chelsea reached the bag already. Santa's helper.
For your baby shower from Dulcina. Good luck and all the best. Thanks, Dulcina. We have it here. Dulcina, you predicting girl and have everything blue? Oh, looky. The first 12 months of life.
Oh my God.
Huggy Bear shoes. Passport to child safety. And little socks, booty. Thank you, Delphina. All practical stuff.
Make sure you read that.
Oh, yes.
This.
Yes. Nobody watch my teddy bears over here. Thank you, honey.
Good job, Chelsea.
Thank
She's a
you.
good little girl, little clever.
Chelsea, come take a picture.
She's too busy looking at all the gifts.
Chelsea.
Alright.
We keep
The third card says the This is from Christina. Okay, we start with a bottle. We come up with bedding and laughter baby. And I'll put the onesies. More onesies. Yeah. More bath towels.
You're gonna need them.
I know best. And bibs.
Yeah. Oh yeah. You're gonna need all those.
What do we have here?
Amada's perception.
I know. Wait to
Medicated diaper rash.
Where's Celia?
And baby rattle.
Yeah.
Those days when it cracked, Kathy, but you said, come man,
That's it. Thanks, Cecilia.
You know, but like, you need lots of ones. Okay, I'm putting on the bar. That's it.
Thank you, everybody. Unfortunately, Gary couldn't be here. But I speak for both of us when I say thank you to everybody for being here. It's funny because last year around this time they were having my bridal shower. And if anybody had told me that my year was going to change so drastically, I wouldn't believe that my life would change the way it has. And because of family and friends like you, I'm able to be happy. And I thank you for your support. And I know you'll be here now and always for me and this baby. And when I say thank you very much, I mean it from the bottom of my heart. Thanks a lot, guys.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Thanks. Just
Don't worry. Daddy gets it up to feet.
God, no.
It's been coming up back, did it?
Yeah.
No, it's wrapped.
See, I know how you go on.
Everything else.
Give me one, give one next one.
That's alright.
Play laughter.
She doesn't like to be a baby. You were already a baby, huh? Yeah, good stuff. You don't like it, eh? Everybody telling you when to sleep, when to eat. Yeah? Don't worry, you'll soon get big like mommy, and she can't say it.
When name again?
Yeah, right.
Well, PSC.
All right.
Chips.
They are real.
What's this?
I brought it in here.
Oh yes,
I'll make you money.
Every week.
Hey, love your autograph for you in Space Jam.
What?
Bro, you in Space Jam. What's up, Doc?
I'm not the dog. I'm not Daffy Duck. No.
Who are you?
Pig.
Can't walk it, Pete.
Go on, can you buy me the movie? Space Jam, it's only $15.99. But please, it's only $15.99.
Watch it. Move your foot.
$15.99. That's how much it is.
Something.
when you're doing great, and you can for baby.
Sometimes you